Welcome. Today I will discuss about an internship opportunity that is available in the Institute of National Importance, National Institute of Technology Agartala, under the mentorship of Dr. Mrinmoy. The title of the internship is Application of Game Theory in Selection of Best Possible Remedial Measures against Flood-Induced Vulnerability. So, this internship will require that you have a knowledge of game theory and you have an interest and knowledge on hydrology. As you know, every year in various places of the world, due to heavy rainfall, overflowing of water from the river bed take place. And due to this overflow, a large area adjacent to the river basin is or remains submerged in water. So in some places it remains 1 or 2 days. In some places it remains even 7 days or even more. It will depend on the retention of water will depend upon the drainage network